So search fronted web for CRS, not CRT, CRS. CRS, right? Oh, CRT. Why haven't we? Yeah, CRT and key. This is fine. Key and CRT. Yeah, key CRT. This one is front web. So this one is, yeah, that should be fine. So familiar, overwhelmingly warm. This one, my whole. All right, so what we're doing here is we want to Dockerize this Angular that is built on Angular 17, but our local Angular is Angular 16. See here, Angular CLI is Angular 16 and our project is Angular 17, and we just want to Dockerize it, and hopefully we'll be able to run this without issue here. Okay, app local. So let's check our host. So our host is alright, so app host local. So in this one, so nginx app host local, and then yeah, should be no issue here, right? Okay, so let's go front web docker build t front web like that. Yeah, damn, I'm so old now. Docker run dp4200443. Name is front web, and then the image we want to use is front web, right? So docker psa. So yeah, that's the issue we got earlier. So https app the host the local 4200 should be able to launch our host app, and it's redirecting to a redirector that t front web docker run dp4200443 name front web. Before that we want to docker rm docker psa q f. Alright, so next is docker, let's try docker psa. Docker psa. Now we want to PowerShell run build docker. Alright, so let's refresh our https app host local 4200. Yeah, this one is running. We want to replicate this in our guest app, so we'll copy copy these 3 files and put this in our guest app. But in our guest app, we want to change the get from guest to from front to guest, right? And in the Nginx, we don't have, yeah, front to guest here, and and the Docker run also wants to change front web to guest web, and then yeah, so we'll have to copy and paste that here, then this one here, front to guest, 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 guest. Right, so let's go to guest. Right, so this mkdir cert or certs? Search, right? Search, yeah. rm rf certs assert mkdir certs, then cd certs, put that guest there, put this csr, put this crt, and check if it's all cool. Yep, it's cool. Now what we want to do is, yeah, in our Docker run, this is going to be a let's go to front web. We are loading guest as 3200, so let's go in our Docker run and our guest Docker run 3200, and we want to change also, that would be a, let's go back here, that is going to be appguest.local. So let's go to our appguest.local. Alright, so let's add that in our host. Alright, so here 127.0.0.1 app.guest.local, save. Alright, so let's go and run. So PowerShell run Docker. So familiar, overwhelming it part, boom 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 boom. The perfect person. Never meant to do you and it for that's why you change be reserve you right, so you go. Alright, so there you go. Okay, so both of them are running in Docker, and what we want to do now is some hey. some cool script, or maybe add a folder here, scripts. Then I'll add cool.js. This one here is alert cool from guest. Right? How can we add that? Let's go JS. It says that in the asset. So maybe let's just try this src scripts. So let's put this here. Right, so scripts cool.js, and let's do this again. It's already in your container. Docker PSA or Docker PSA. Yeah, it's already running. Docker RM guest web f Alright, so let's try that. So let's right, so this one here again, we'll go to scripts cool.js. Alright, so this one here we have cool.js. Now we want to test this in front end. So how can we, like, maybe want to try this here. Script src, this one. Alright, so let's see what goes to the let us, oh, it's executing a script. It's executing scripts coming from guest. Cool from guest. Okay, so now we want to abuse our index. So we know that index, our old host app got some cookies. See this cookies here. This yeah, this one here, the hosts had cookies. So in our guest app or script, this one, we want to console.log document.cookies, document.cookie. Alright, so let's docker build, PowerShell run docker build. Alright, this is just kidding. I'm muting this for kidding. Alright, so okay, so where is it? Where is my, is this the one? Is it writing? Let's cool from, yeah, so let's comment this out, and then let's put here, I am reading your cookie host, I'm the guest. Right, so we might want to add color here. Background is purple, then color is gold maybe, and then PowerShell run. So it should write this sentence here, and then the cookie right after that purple console log. Alright, so it's able to write those. So what if we want to upload this to like somewhere? Okay. So how about or maybe let's try this one first. This might be a quick one. Let's open in a new browser. So this browser here, and then let's load that, advanced, proceed to app, as well as the HTTP is app.guest.local 3200, accept the certificate, and then refresh this baby girl. Right, this one here. Yeah. How about if we go to settings, we go to, this is not about cookie, but we'll try to go to cookies. It's blocking third-party cookie, and it's still able to read the cookie. So if we let guest app to make a post request, let's see, or maybe even just make a redirection. Post request. So let's open this. Maybe we can have a map post. Is there a map post? Like cookies. Then like string. What is that? String cookies. Then we'll Swagger cookies, try out XXX, should buy XXX. Alright. That's what I suspected. Alright, so PowerShell run. Docker rm.net API force docker build d.net API docker run db 5001 name.net API .net API. Oh man. Okay, so let's put our documented cookies here. Then let's stringify this. Well, also stringify that. So it was able to send our cookies to a separate domain. So if our front end is like able to do this, so what we can how we can attack this is if we can like be able to execute a script, maybe an SQL injection, so that when it loads, it will load the script and it will copy our cookies and it will send to a different domain. Our goal is how can we write this script undetected in an app, in a web app. And that will be an assignment because this video is taking so much time. How long is it now? It's almost 2 hours. Right, thanks, bye.